Welcome to the digital learning platform of Sri Guru Sudhindra College. Subject is Indian Financial System for 4th semester students and the topic is financial market. In the previous presentation we discussed regarding the primary market, the types of issue as well as the functions of primary market. Today we will discuss regarding the issue of shares. Before knowing the meaning of issue of shares, let us understand the meaning of share. You know, capital of the company is divided into number of units called shares. Each share has a certain value called the face value, or we can say share value. Company can collect the capital by issue of shares. It means what? Shares are issued to public and collect the required capital. That is we call public issue of shares. In other words, the newly started company raises the capital by issue of shares of this public. It is said to be issue called public issue. Okay, so we have to remember that the capital of the company is divided into number of units. So it is said to be shares. Each share has a certain value. So that value we call it as the face value, or we can call it as a share value. Okay. So now let us discuss regarding the different methods of public issue of shares. The new companies as well as the existing companies can raise the long-term capital in the primary market. So capital can be raised by issue of equity shares or preference shares. For issuing shares, there are various methods or ways. The following are the methods or ways of public issue of shares. The first one, fixed price method, book building method, second one, third one is initial public offer, fourth one is public issue through prospectus, fifth one, offer for sale, sixth one, private placement method, seventh one, right issue method. Okay, so today we are going to discuss only about the first method, fixed price method. Fixed price method. So in this method, the company fixes the issue price of the shares and then advertise has to number of shares to be issued. So in this case, if the company is going to fix the price, or we can say if the price fixed by the company is very high, then the investor will apply for less number of shares, causing under subscription to the shares. On the other hand, if the price is less, then investor will apply for more number of shares. It leads to over subscription to the shares. Okay, so this is said to be fixed price method. Here the company is going to fix the price of the shares and then it is going to advertise the number of shares to be issued. So now let us discuss regarding the steps or process involved in fixed price method. So there are total 8 steps. First one, selection of merchant banker. Second one, issue of prospectus. Third one, application of shares. Fourth one, minimum subscription. Fifth one, under subscription and over subscription. Sixth one, allotment of shares. Seventh one, calls on shares by the directors. Eighth one, issue of share certificates. So we'll discuss one by one the steps. The first step or the process is selection of merchant banker. So it is obligatory that all public issues are managed by merchant banker or bankers who will function as a lead managers. It is an institution which renders financial services including giving advices to the issue company and arranging its issue of shares. The issuing company has to select a merchant banker so as to manage its issue of shares. So it's the duty of the merchant banker and he is also said to be the lead manager of the issue because he takes the full responsibility of issuing the shares. Okay. Second step is issue of prospectus. As you know that prospectus defined under section 2 subsection 36 of the Companies Act, any document described or issued as a prospectus and includes any notice, circular, advertisement or other document inviting deposits from the public or inviting offers from the public for the subscription or purchase of any shares or debentures of a body corporate. So in simple we can say prospectus is a document by the public company inviting the public for subscribing to its shares and debentures. The prospectus should contain the type, the amount of such shares. It should also indicate the amount payable on application, allotment, calls, etc. So the most important thing in prospectus is it should be duly signed and filed with the register of companies, the most important thing. So it is said to be the second important step or the process involved in fixed price method. Now the third one, that is the application for shares. So after the publication of the prospectus, which contains the prescribed printed application form and has to be duly filed in the duly signed by a person who intends to purchase the shares of the company, should be forwarded to the bankers to the issue of shares along with the check or demand draft. The application form also states the amount payable on application, allotment and a calls or call. Application for shares is an offer by the investor to subscribe for the number of shares in the company. So this is regarding the application of shares. Fourth step or process involved in fixed price method is minimum subscription. In the case of company newly formed, it should achieve the minimum subscription from the applicants. Achieving the minimum subscription is one of the requirements to be compiled with for obtaining the certificate of commencement. So if the company has the minimum subscription, then only it can obtain certificate for commencement of business. That is we call certificate for commencement. The company should achieve minimum subscription so as to obtain this certificate. So this is the most important certificate for a company. Okay, now the fifth one, that is under subscription and over subscription. So when the shares are offered for public subscription, the money received on application for shares will not be exactly for the same number of shares for which offer is made by the company. If the application money is received for less number of shares, it is said to be under subscription of shares. On the other hand, the application money is received for more number of shares, it is said to be over subscription of shares. In case of oversubscription, the applications for which no shares are allotted are to be rejected and the money already received should be refunded to such applicants. In case less number of shares are allotted to any of the other applicants, their access application money may be either refunded to them or retained for adjustment against the allotment money or call money payable on their shares to them. So this is regarding the under subscription and over subscription. Okay, so this is a very most important step in the fixed price method. Now that is the allotment of shares to the applicants. Sixth step. So allotment of share is the allocation of shares to the successful applicants by the directors as approved in the board meeting. After the closing date of the receipt of the applications, all these applications will be placed before the meeting of the directors. That is board meeting of the directors. The board will scrutinize applications and proceed to allot the shares to the successful applicants and send the letter of allotment requesting them to end the allotment money. From this date, all these applicants to whom the shares are allotted will become the member of the company. The letter of regrets will be sent to whom no shares are allotted. Now the seventh step is, that is calls on shares by the directors. The remaining amount on the shares will be called by the directors in one or more installments subject to certain conditions. Such installments are called calls on shares. Okay. So the last step is now issue of share certificate. After the receipt of the final call monies from the members of the company, the share certificate will be forwarded to the respective members. The certificates are in the specified form having a common seal of the company and are duly stamped and signed by the respective shareholders. Share certificate is a document of ownership of the shares in the company. So these are total 8 steps involved in the process, or we can say steps involved in the new issue of equity shares, or we can say under fixed price method. So total there are 8 steps, different methods or the process involved in the fixed price method. Hope you understood. Thank you.